Hi, I'm Caroline, and I'm here to tell you about our PWS bedroom collection range, which features a wide-ranging, high-quality assortment of products suitable for varying budgets. While our stock ranges cover most requirements, we also offer a selection of made-to-measure solutions. Stanhope, a one-piece constructed vinyl range available in both modern and classic styles in various finishes. These can be paired with industrial or metallic feet or placed on a plinth for a traditional look. Unity Collection. With over 50 finishes in super matte, gloss, metallic, timber and abstract styles, this collection offers versatility when mixed together. It provides an affordable price point while allowing for high-end bespoke looks with elegant handle additions. Sliding wardrobes. For customers looking to maximise space, we offer custom-made sliding wardrobes available in any size or configuration. Whether your customer prefers the shine of a mirror door, the warmth of wood, or the elegance of frosted glass, we have a variety of designs to elevate their space. Our premium sliding mechanisms ensure smooth and quiet operation every time. For more details, please contact your account manager.